Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great, my dear students. Now we will discuss about memory hierarchy in computer architecture. This will be very much helpful for your different kinds of examinations as well as enhancing your computer knowledge. Hierarchy means it is about to arranging different kinds of storage devices in a computer based on their size, cost, access time, frequency of use. The computer memory the computer memory can be divided into five major hierarchy, that is register, cache, main memory, magnetic disk and magnetic tape. Internal memory, that is register, cache and main memory. External memory is magnetic disk and magnetic tape. These are the internal memory and these two are the external memory. So going to the hierarchy, first is register memory. We have to keep it in the diagonal form. First is register memory, this is cache memory, that is main memory, that is main memory disk memory, and this is tape memory, that is magnetic disk, that is magnetic tape. So these arrow forms are telling this is the access time. Access time increases when this form is going towards. Size increases from register to magnetic tape in this word. So register size is less, greater than it is cache memory, main memory is greater than cache memory size, magnetic disk size is greater than main memory, magnetic tape size is greater than magnetic disk. Similarly frequency decreases when size increases. Similarly cost frequency increases when size decreases. Similarly, cost increases when size decreases. Speed increases when size decreases. Or similarly, size when size increases, access time increases. Similarly, we can present in different triangle also. Register will be calculated in byte, cache memory in MB and KB, cache memory in MB and KB, main memory gigabyte, USB flash memory gigabyte, magnetic disk terabyte, magnetic tape petabyte, and its speed will be like this. Registered will be 1 nanosecond, cache memory 10 nanosecond, main memory 100 nanosecond, USB 1 microsecond, and magnetic disk 10 millisecond, magnetic tape 1000 millisecond. CPU, the location of the cache memory is like that: CPU, main memory, cache memory and secondary memory. Why different memory? Cycle, call, aeroplane, for different reason are there, but we are using different transportation media for different work. Similarly, different size of memories and different types of memories are there for different use. Thank you.